Hey everyone, global release of the Lenovo Legion Tab gaming tablet, featuring an 8.8-inch QHD plus 144Hz display, and South Dakota 8 Plus Gen 1. Termed simply as the Lenovo Legion Tab, this device marks the company's strategic move to tap into the burgeoning mobile gaming market. Derived from the Legion Tab Y700 2023 model, previously exclusive to China, this rebranded version promises an immersive gaming experience, coupled with impressive specifications and features. The standout feature of the Legion Tab is its 8.8-inch display, a dimension carefully chosen to strike a balance between portability and gaming functionality. Sporting a QHD plus resolution PureSight gaming panel with a staggering 144Hz refresh rate, gamers can expect fluid visuals and sharp details. With a brightness level of 500 nits and coverage of the DCI-P3 color gamut, the display ensures vibrant and lifelike imagery. In terms of appearance, the Legion Tab boasts a sleek and lightweight profile, measuring 208.54 by 129.46 by 7.6 mm, and weighing a mere 350 grams. Crafted with a metal finish, the tablet exudes a premium feel while offering durability. Lenovo has incorporated a haptic system to enhance gaming immersion, along with a dual-speaker setup tuned with Dolby Atmos for immersive audio. Under the hood, the Legion Tab is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, delivering flagship-grade performance. Paired with 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 256 GB of onboard storage, the tablet ensures smooth multitasking and ample space for game installations. The inclusion of Legion Cold Front Vapor Thermal solution mitigates overheating, ensuring sustained performance during extended gaming sessions. In terms of battery life, the Legion Tab is equipped with a 6550 mAh battery, supplemented by 45 watts fast-charging via USB Type-C port, utilizing Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 technology. Additionally, the tablet offers external display support through DisplayPort 1.4 functionality, via the second USB-C port. Performance-wise, the Legion Tab excels, as demonstrated by its capability to run demanding titles such as PUBG Mobile at 90 FPS, and Genshin Impact at 60 FPS. Moreover, the tablet is compatible with cloud gaming platforms like Boosteroid, enabling seamless access to a vast library of games. Running on Android 13 out of the box, the Legion Tab promises future-proofing with planned updates to Android 14 and 15, along with security updates until 2028. The dedicated gaming assistant software further enhances the user experience by providing convenient access to performance modes and other gaming-centric features. On the imaging front, the Legion Tab features a 13 megapixels primary camera and a 2 megapixels macro camera on the rear, along with an 8 megapixel selfie camera. Connectivity options include Bluetooth 5.3 and Wi-Fi 6E, ensuring seamless connectivity for multiplayer gaming and content streaming. In essence, the Lenovo Legion Tab emerges as a formidable contender in the gaming tablet segment, offering a blend of powerful hardware, immersive features, and future-ready software support. With its global availability, Lenovo aims to cater to the evolving needs of mobile gamers worldwide, positioning itself as a key player in the gaming ecosystem. We appreciate you taking the time to see this video. I'm wishing you a fantastic day that is full of success. God bless you richly and take care of yourself.